Hey guys, it's Travis Henderson with Arkansas Property Management Real Estate. I'm here in Maumelle doing another home tour at 18 Blue Mountain Drive. So let's go in and check this beautiful place out. Welcome to 18 Blue Mountain Drive here in Maumelle, Arkansas. This house is being brought to you by Sharon Foster at Realtor. This home is back on the market and I was pretty excited about everything this home has to offer. So let's check this out. All right, we walk in, you see these new updated floors. They're throughout the entire house. As you come in the front door, this is your living room here. Got a beautiful fireplace. They've done some updates. I just think they did a pretty good job on all this. I'm like, this room is just really great. I love the light. There's a lot of light coming in from this window. And this room is a great size. You can put multiple couches, chairs. It's really got a lot of room. So as you come in the front door, to your left is the formal dining room. It goes right into your kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen has granite countertops. And you may have noticed this when I just walked in, these lights in the cabinet, they're motion detected. So when you walk in the kitchen late at night, you won't have to be hitting around for the light switch. Those lights will pop on for you. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, plenty of storage space, extra countertops. This kitchen is great for cooking and entertaining. Have a little breakfast nook right here by the windows here. Just a great light coming in here as well. Right off the kitchen, you have your laundry area. It's got granite countertops in here. So now let's check out the rest of the house. You have your garage access right here. And as we go through the house, here's a great office space right here. Do you notice there's light, but it comes from the sun skylight. Got it all tangled. Come from the skylight, but you have an office here. Doesn't feel closed in because you got a huge window. Now as we walk through to check out the bedrooms, this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Here's your main bathroom. You have your shower here, double vanities. Love the lights, love the mirror. It's a great addition to this house. As we come around here, this is our first bedroom. Then these other bedrooms have some great accents walls. I would call that, tiger print. This room is bigger than the first bedroom I showed you. Got built-in cabinets, bookshelves right here. Then as we go down the hall, here's your second bedroom. It's also got a very bright accent wall as well. This room is about the same size as the second bedroom I showed you. As you notice, it has hallway night lights. And here is your primary suite. This room is large enough for a king-size bed, probably a chair set in here as well, dressers. You also have access to your deck here in your room. And here's your primary bathroom suite. Love the wood on the ceiling, skylight in here as well. This jetted tub that's a really great size. I've not seen one like that. It's very interesting. Got your shower here. Shelves for your soaps and shampoos, setting bench. Has 2 closets, one on each side of the room here. Now let's go check out the outside, your backyard here. Now you have this massive deck here. I mean, this deck is great for entertaining. It's been recently stained. Have some issues here with the grass, but I'm sure that has to do with it being shaded for most of the day, not a lot of sunlight. There's some different types of grass you put there. St. Augustine is great in the shade. But you have a fully fenced backyard. One thing that's great about this house is the mechanics on this house. So you have a brand new roof, brand new gutters. The house has been recently updated. The HVAC and water heater, they're all brand new. Those are the things I love about this house, because those are things that are not easily changed and that are already done for you. Now let's go outside, check out the front one more time. Give you an idea of the street view of this house. So we're on Blue Mountain Drive, right here in the heart of Maumelle, not far from anything. As you see, just a beautiful neighborhood. All the houses around are well upkept. '18 Blue Mountain Drive is $337,900. It's $140 a square foot. For this house, I mean, I really think that's a great price. 4-bedroom, 2-bath, living space, an office, as well as a great backyard to entertain in. If you'd like to take a tour of this house, shoot me a message in the comments or drop me a DM. And we'll come by and let you tour this house for yourself. Thank you for watching, and as always, subscribe, like, and come back for more. See you next time.